Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to host an external domain on Hostinger. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to Websites and click on Add Website, this button. Here, you can connect or you can host your external domain name on Hostinger by building a Hostinger Horizon app, web app, a WordPress website, a website built using Hostinger Website Builder, or even an empty website. For this, I will go with empty website, which is custom PHP/HTML website. Here, fill in your external domain, for example, benstutorial.com, and wait a moment. Do you own this domain? Yes, use it. Now click on Next. This may take a few minutes. And just like that, you will see that your external domain name starts appearing in this websites list. Also on this websites page, this is it. To return to the previous dashboard, click on dashboard button. Now, as you see, my domain isn't connected to my website. To make sure your website is accessible, connect your domain first. By this, they mean that you know to go to where your domain name or external domain name is registered and tell them about Hostinger by giving them the hosting something that by filling something that is called Hostinger name servers. How to know those two Hostinger name servers? Simply click on Connect Domain. If you click Connect, the system will change your name server to those. Those are the two name servers that you need to go to fill in your domain name registrar or domain name provider. Let's copy the first domain name. Here, what follows is a little bit different depending on your domain name provider. First, I will show you how to connect an external domain that is registered on Hostinger, another account, and also how to connect on a completely different domain provider, which is, I think it's called Porkbun. Let's start with hosting with an external domain hosted on or registered on another Hostinger account. This is my second Hostinger account. So now go to domains. This is the external domain I've just used. Click on Manage. Then go to DNS/name servers. And below name servers, you will see something called change name servers. Those are the current name servers. When you see those two name servers, this means that my domain name or this external domain were used for a website hosted on Bluehost. Now let's change those two name servers to Hostinger name servers. When your domain name is registered also on Hostinger, simply go, instead of filling those two name servers manually, go with use Hostinger name servers, just like that, and hit save. And as you see, name servers changed to those two name servers, which are the ones our Hostinger hosting was asking for. ns1.dns-parking.com, ns1.dns-parking.com. As you see, it may take up to 24 hours for the domain to propagate to new name servers. This means that it can take up to 24 hours for this domain name to completely connect with your website on Hostinger. Now let's see how to check this. Just keep trying to access your website. As you see, DNS probe finished NX domain. This error means that your DNS is not fully propagated. Just keep refreshing your website page. You can also sometimes your website can start working on a different internet provider than the one you are using. Sometimes it works on a different device, for example your smartphone, and not on your computer, or the opposite. Here, don't worry, just be patient. After some hours, it will start working on every device. And this 24-hour moment is not always 24 hours. Sometimes it can take just 10 minutes, and sometimes an hour. This depends on the internet. Now let's see how to connect an external domain that is registered on Porkbun to Hostinger. This is Porkbun. Now I will connect to my account. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom.builders Academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. This is my domain name. It's different than the one I've just used for Hostinger. But here I am not showing you how to fill in the domain because it's the same thing. Here I'm showing you how to find the name server settings on a different domain provider. Here, look for, as you see, when I hover over my website name, I see something called DNS NS. This NS stands for name server. This is what we are looking for. You can also access it from here or from the details. For name servers, almost all domain providers provide the name servers settings. And if you can't find them, just look for how to edit your domain and name servers on GoDaddy or on Namecheap, for example, and you will see the exact tutorials. Now when I click on NS, this window pop up, and I will copy the first name server like that, delete the existing ones, paste, copy the second one, and paste it like that. Make sure no space is added, and click on submit. And this is simply how to edit or how to connect your domain to Hostinger using name servers. Here I don't want to click on the submit button to not change my domain names or this domain name servers. And this is how to host an external domain on Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.